Blox, why don't you unmute? Say in the chat, why don't you unmute?
Unmute, big boy.
Dude.
Yeah, you've been talking stuff. Yeah, because the entire time you've been talking stuff. Dude.
I saw him on mute, but I thought he was doing something.
But when he gets you, it's so good.
Oh, why'd you slap me?
Oh, is there no more?
What already? Wait, who killed the tank?
Look at the actual game, me. Okay,
Who's spawning in all these? Who's playing all these fire axes? You're making my game lag.
oh, my bad. So I revived you for nothing, Blox. I revived you for nothing. He's not even with us right now.
He's all the way back there. Where are you going? Gonna get yourself killed. What? Where is he? Oh god. I gotta get out of here. No admin commands for any of this. Holy shit. Okay, admin commands. Admin commands. Oh god.
That all really hard.
Oh yeah, no admin commands.
Yeah, no admin command, no
Dude,
second
I'm
chance,
getting
no.
fucked. Holy shit.
Bro, oh my god, I just spectated you. There's a whole horde on you.
Dude. He really put on a strap on his fucking.
Huh?
Well, why'd you kill me?
360 style. Win 360.
What the fuck is going on?
The net's been fenced.
You're a bitch, whoever pushed me through it.
It was Blox.
I already know we fit out this path.
Oh, you
There's just a
should
witch
have
right
smacked the fuck out of that woman over there.
Yo, guys, wait for me.
Oh, I forgot. We could just barge the doors.
Yeah, use that more often.
How you don't get there?
By walking.
What? Oh.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm not there.
what the frick, man? I'm being stabbed. I mean, I'm being hit. Is that a freaking grenade launcher?
Use it.
I did.
Watch it hit him, dude.
Oh, wow. That zombie ran into the way. Bro, the zombie ran in the way.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Yeah, I
Thank
did it
you.
first.
Thank you, my love.
What?
I mean,
None, sir.
Oh, okay, because I was gonna say.
Yo, I dare when you to hit the witch. I dare when you gotta hit the witch.
Where's the witch?
Oh my god.
No!
I got it. I'm lagging. I'm getting out of there before I crash.
Holy cow.
I didn't even
Bro, he's like a Walking Dead amount of zombies. Holy shit.
No, this is a Left 4 Dead amount of zombies. Walking Dead does not have
There's
that much.
not this many zombies. I almost killed the. I almost hit the.
You
place.
see the
Oh my-
part where you're watching like, yo, it's nothing there. Hey, revive me now.
I've never even watched the Walking Dead.
Yeah, I've never seen
The comics are
Other
better.
than
The
this
comics are
one
better.
scene where like these zombies were fucking.
The comics are better.
No, those comics.
I hit the show. I never watched it.
No! Hop off, bro! Hop off my bro, Kato! Get off on me, little bitch!
Oh my
Yes,
god.
of course, sir.
I got fire, dude.
I got this!
Oh
I have a grenade launcher!
Second
Yo,
chance,
I know that. That's what I needed.
second chance, huh?
No, there's no second chances.
This ain't the pair, this ain't the pair! Hurry up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up! No!
12 seconds later.
Video 2. Yo, are you good over there?
Bro, oh my god.
Yo, you're not good over there.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Nope.
Wait. Never mind. He said fuck you.
Yo, no.
Wait,
Yeah, grab-
Lane.
The puddle.
He's a police officer. He's going for the person that has Fent in his game. Holy shit!
Oh, yeah, you're right. Wait, there's a police officer?
Lane.
No, he's like a military dude.
Say fuck the Rex.
I can't.
Fuck the police straight from storming the underground. Oh, I killed him.
Coach.
There's my boy.
Does nobody have heals, dude? Wait, hit me. Slam me.
Oh, I'm back in the game. Hi
Yes,
guys.
little bro.
Dead. You're left for dead.
What?
You're left for dead.
Why is she trying to kill you?
Do not again.
Why are you standing That is true. Oh no! No way! No way! Shoot it from there!
I'm trying.
Yo, there's no way!
No.
I just got death charged.
Death charge in a normal game is crazy.
Wait a minute!
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael!
The witch!
How did I serve the witch? Dude, I just got uppercut.
Good opportunity.
Stop, Lane. Bro, Lane. Stop with this tomfoolery, Lane.
Wait, look up.
That's all it is,
Look
Miles.
over here.
A leap of faith.
Like, what's up, danger? Okay, anyway.
So far behind
Wait,
you.
Look up.
What?
Right here. All your needs will be met.
I'm hungry!
Like, what's up, danger?
Guys, welcome back to video 4550.
Don't worry, guys. I'll save the day.
Today's new video.
Dies.
Today's new video.
Nah, I'm gonna put that in my video. Don't worry, I'll skip it.
Don't worry,
Bro,
guys.
my
I'll save
friends
the
are
day.
dropping.
All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Oh, I fell.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, I'm talking about you.
My bad,
Pop
dude.
off my potato.
Scary.
It all started back in 1809.
Oh god.
Bro,
How the fuck?
Did you kill yourself?
I should have do a cool
Stop! Running for me!
Up. Ah, he beat the shit out of me now.
Dude!
Bro, where's he going? I just realized, why does he always go off by himself?
But I'm better, duh.
You know what, that's it.
This is
I'm
all
gonna
your
spawn like
fault,
20
man.
different zombies on you. Oh, you're better, huh? You're better, huh? Oh, you're better, huh?
microphone, bro.
I hate you guys so much.
Yo, can y'all wait for me? I gotta go take a piss, bro.
Oh my god, you said
Okay.
as I told the boomer bio.
Okay, fine.
Wait, watch this.
Okay, so what is this dude doing?
I'm coming!
What the fuck?
Take a step.
Hey, fuck you.
What the f? Bro, why do I see two cool?
So cool, Jimmy.
I see him. Shut the f up.
Layne, wake up.
I know, dude, I've been awake.
What's up, Dennis?
Like, what's up, danger?
Like, what's up, danger?
How did you get up there? How did you get up there?
No, I don't know. Ah, I fell. Help!
Dude, how did you get up there?
I got you. Go.
I got it. Look,
Damn, that's
like this,
how
like
we
this.
died.
Dude, I was wondering, dude.
Remember when we first played? Like, what's up, danger?
Oh, dude, just like the video.
Just like your first ever video.
Dude, let's do it again. Do it again. It's a
I got
recap.
you.
Okay, watch. You're gonna clear from my video. It's gonna be like low edit. Oh no. Oh.
Oh, I missed.
Come here. Come here.
You just came out of nowhere.
I'm Batman.
Help! Help! Ouch! Ouch! Get back, Daddy.
Is this your first time playing Cool Jimmy?
About.
Wall bangers. Oh yeah.
Well,
You spawned right in front of me.
Bro, come on. Come on.
come on, huh?
Tank.
Holy shit! I'm out of here.
Dude, it broke through the window. It broke the window.
Holy shit!
Bro, that scared the hell out of me.
It busted through the goddamn board.
Oh, that was the scariest experience of my life.
Yo! Oh wait, I'm in the car. Oh,
Oh god. Oh god.
slice
He's
it,
gonna sling a
slice
car
it,
at you.
slice it, slice it, slice it. Ah! Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, he's a joke.
What the power of friendship will compel you.
All we have is each other, guys.
Shut up. Wait.
What you saying to me? What you Oh my god, oh my god. Wait,
Just happened.
wait, how do I do it? Anyway.
What just happened?
Anyway.
What just happened?
Who took my adrenaline?
We just
Huh?
got whooped.
Huh?
We got whooped.
What, you told me to shut up? You told me to shut up, huh?
Blox, kill yourself. You took my adrenaline.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Well, it's not playing.
What? Buddy, if you can get me out of this alive, I will deep fry you an entire goddamn cow.
Look at the I'm gonna be all over you
Then
like
you want my
cheese.
adrenaline? Then you want my adrenaline?
No.
No! Like
Same
dumb fuck.
exact thing.
Oh, you little fat bitch.
I can call you by Timmy.
Go ahead.
My name's Jimmy. Cool Jimmy.
Yeah, big job.
I'm Spooky Jimmy.
Oh.
Hurry up. Where are we gonna get out of here?
What just happened?
Stop shooting me!
That wasn't me. Misfire.
What just happened? What just happened? What happened?
Shotgun, incomplete.
What happened?
Oh,
It wasn't me.
the door's open.
The door is open.
I just came back. Alice, what are you doing?
Bro, Layne, respond to my cup bomb.
Dude, that was in the bathroom, baby.
No. No. No.
I'm not playing cup pong on the toilet, bro.
Because you're in it.
Jesus, no.
Alright, fine. Watch this.
Hide your parents.
Okay.
Like, what's up, danger? Like, what's up? Hey, who do you think you're? Who do you
I don't have it. Look, I
You
don't
missed
have
the wife.
it. You stopped me for
Dude,
nothing.
you
missed
had
the
the
wife,
fire.
bro.
I don't have the fire.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, whoops. Turn on, I turned on the wrong thing, whoops.
Help me! Help me!
You're being chased by two of them. Calm down. This one time, my buddy Keith.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry.
Lock in. Like that one
Fuck
thing.
up, bitch.
You kind of Blox said.
That's lock in, though, bro.
He'd be proud of us by now.
I think
Yeah.
he died.
He's looking down on us.
He's looking up at us, bro. He's looking up at us. What do you mean?
Oh wow.
Now, why would he be in hell, though?
Because he said block him. Because he played counterblocks.
Dude, I need to heal. Please get this
No, you
message off.
don't.
Please get this message off. Please get this message off.
Where are all the zombies at? I don't even hear any music. You want some?
Hey, buddy.
Want some, buddy? Want some? You want to fight, pal?
With this special combo.
Go to hell. Go to hell. Go to hell.
I got a phone notification. Why did Big say tits?
Oh, there's a peanut butter.
No! Oh, I'm good.
Wait,
No, what the? I just got thrown! Oh, I'm good, never mind.
Oh my god, you potato.
Go play Raid around rolls in me. Oh, never mind.
The timer resets, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm
A
with my
timer
bird.
for what? There's a timer for what?
Oh, the
Dude,
little,
the thing
oh,
is-
the revive thing. The revive thing can't on this.
Yeah.
So mad.
Oh, who's that?
All that for what?
Oh my god.
You're on the roses.
I'm actually fucking pissed. Big boy.
He dead?
Yo! He's still alive. Oh my god.
I killed it, I
he's
killed it,
dead.
I killed it.
I killed him.
I'm just here. I was playing Ring around the roses.
You know, this one time
Came
my
all
buddy
over me,
Keith,
bro.
There's one time my buddy Keith got dramatically.
10 seconds.
Wait, remember your first time playing Left 4 Dead?
I
Huh?
had it on clips. He shot a witch.
Remember his first steps in Left 4 Dead?
Dude,
Oh
I
my god, he didn't have. Last time I heard this much crying was at my wedding.
You are not Nick.
I am Nick.
You are not Nick.
I think I killed my ex-wife.
Oh my god. I'm just hitting randomly.
Yeah, you hit me 500 times.
Not on purpose.
Get up here!
Oh no, not on accident.
I was being bombarded by so many things.
What things? I saw you
No,
alone.
yeah.
No, I had like a
No! Oh, thank you.
I got you, bro.
Thank you, potato.
Potato.
I'm on my potato. Oh, no! The jockey!
Shoot behind
The
me.
jockey!
Ow! Oh,
No man
hey.
left behind.
Hey, I thought you said that there's no cheating. Okay, get over here. Wrong way, no, wrong way. Come on.
Come on. How about my potato?
The jockey's still alive, by the way.
Ah, I found him.
Oh. How about my potato?
No, no. Leave me. Let me know.
Blox, we're staying here. We're staying here, Blox.
Oh, protect the boat. Protect the boat. We gotta protect the
You
boat.
got this. Go.
No, Layne.
I'm slowly making my way.
I know you're flying. What the hell?
Me tengo que ir.